Join me there. All right, welcome back to the example I mentioned we are going to be taking. We are still considering the triangle. These are questions I gleaned from OCA, a booklet that contains the Lagos State past questions. In one of their questions, they asked, construct a triangle with sides AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to 80 mm. You see, it's very glaring. Since they say AB is equal to BC equals to CA, what type of triangle is this? This is an equilateral triangle. It's the easiest triangle to construct. How do you go about it? Step number one, you draw a horizontal line. Don't measure it. Don't measure it. You take your T-square, aligned with your board. You draw a straight line, horizontal line. That's it. The line is to your convenience. On your left, just use your pencil, cut a mark. Call it the A. Get your compass. This is my compass. Get your compass. Go back to your ruler. From the 0 point, measure 80. Like I always tell you, I am zoom. This is my 80. Remove it. Take A as center. That is, put your needle at A. Not here, A. That intersection. Put your needle there. Pam. Then, cut the straight line. You see that? When you cut that straight line, call that place B. AB is how many? 80 mm. Like I told you, don't continue repeating mm. Your work is going to be soiled. Since this is 80 mm already, go back to A and B as centers. Take your A, cut an arc up like this. You see that? Take B as center, not B here, please. B the intersection. Cut the previous arc. At C, what I mean is this. The point where this first arc and the other one met, here, call it what? C. And what's the next thing you do? Join A to C and B to C. Join A to C, using your ruler, that's it. A to C, and B to C. Wow, equilateral triangle. Isn't that simple? Can you do that for me? If you think you can, now, do your own. I'll be waiting. While I'm waiting anyway, I go to number 2. Number 2 says, construct a triangle where AB is 60 mm, AC 72 mm, and angle CAB 120 degrees. Join BC and measure it. How on earth do you do that? It's quite simple. Let us take from here again, for instance. You need more space. You start. Draw your horizontal line. This is for number 2 now. Draw your horizontal line. Fine. To any convenient length. On your left, as always, cut a mark, call it A. In the work we are given there, it said AB is 60. Let me assume this is my 60. You know how to measure yours? Put it at A and get that. That gives you your B. This is B. Always write the dimension 60. Your dimension that you've written gives you 1 mark in an exam. Watch. Then I said AC 72 degrees. What you do in such case, leave the AC. The next step said angle CAB is 120 degrees. Meaning the angle is going to be at A, 120. How do we do that? You get your compass. I've taught you this before. Get a radius. Get a semicircle at A, like this. That's it. You can extend your A to the left this way, using your ruler anyway. That's it. Now, with this same radius, put your needle at this other part. This is it. And cut the semicircle like this. This angle is angle what? We've done it before. This gives you angle 60. So at that point, you rule your angle 60 from A. From A. Watch me. That's it. Are you with me? You rule. That's it. From A, you rule. When you are done with that, you now go back to AC 72 mm. It means C will be somewhere here that we don't know. Measure your 72. Put your needle at A. Cut that line. That's it. Now, that point you cut here is what? This is your C. Good. The questioner said, join BC. Join BC. This is my B, this is my C. Join BC. Are you following me? All right. That's it. Your triangle is ready. Now the questioner said, measure it. What is the it? Measure BC. You take your compass, put your compass at C, extend your pencil to B, remove it, put it on your ruler, and get where C ended. Anything you have on your ruler is what you now come here and write. Therefore, line BC, this one means line BC is equal to, let us just assume, say 97 mm. And this is your answer. Do you understand me? Is it not easy enough? So these are the type of questions you should be expecting when it comes